which is going to be cost to the government. Mudra loans. હવે જે મોટા સ્કીમ ફાઇનલ કર્યા છે, I will only mention them because they may not be applicable to us directly, but those are the category of industry જ્યાં તમે સપ્લાય કદાચ કરતા હો. So one is agriculture, એટલે PM ગરીબ કલ્યાણ પેકેજ ગવર્મેન્ટે આપ્યું છે. સેકન્ડ farmers ને આપ્યું છે, which directly they have given the money to their accounts. That is 2,000 rupees per farmer directly to their accounts, bank accounts. Then Kisan card, it is called Kisan card loan, okay, which is again no cost to the government. આમાં 2,25,000 કરોડનો લોન આપ્યો છે, 2.25 lakh crore loan. Then loan to farmers directly જે આપ્યા છે એ housing loan interest subsidy, government declared that also. So supposedly you are going to you already paying EMI, એમાં પણ મોનિટરિંગ મળશે, but even housing loan ના interest માં પણ subsidy મળવાની છે. So you will have to even negotiate with these banks. See, one important thing and a very practical discussion we need to do is તમારા ઘરે કોઈ પણ આવીને તમને કંઈ પણ આપવાનું નથી. તમારે પોતે થઈને you will have to go to the banks. You will have to route it through your lawyer or your CA and negotiate with the banks. આમાં કંઈ standard formula રહેવાનું નથી. Whatever best you can negotiate, you are going to get the best deal. અને 45 days ના અંદર બધા disbursement થવાના છે. The government has declared that the disbursements will happen in 45 days time. So see what duration they have. Within 45 days, huh? It is not after 40 days, within 45 days. It can happen in 5 days also. It can happen in 20 days also. Then government has given partial credit guarantee again. So whatever credits are there, on that there is a partial credit guarantee which is government is going to give on that. It is also going to give a working capital to agricultural based entities. So if your entity is having a business which is having an angle of agriculture, so એમાં પણ એમને તમને સબસિડી મળવાની છે. Then another important issue, reduction in cash reserve ratio, which is called CRR. એટલે ગવર્મેન્ટ આમાં કઈ કોસ્ટ નથી પડવાની, but you will get more money in the hands in this. So these are broadly the bigger ones, which almost amount to almost about you can say about 18 lakh crores. આનો total છે. Government has declared 20 lakh crores, but the what I discussed is around almost about 18 lakh crores. The ones which are not discussed is street vendors, migrant લોકોને શું આપવાના છે, rural infrastructure માં government શું કરવાની છે. If you are a contractor and if you are a contractor for the government of India doing roads, or maybe a person who is making highways or supplying materials to them, so government is going to give a leverage and time to also they may give money in advance and also do not take money from you, whichever way when they're going to put a penalty or fine. લોકોના અત્યારે જે delays થયા છે, the road infrastructure છે, highways છે, એમાં કંઈ પણ delay ના clause છે, બધા એ લોકોએ force measure માં નાખી દીધા છે અત્યારે ગવર્મેન્ટે. Now let me speak to you about MSME, which is most important, જેના પર આપણે discussion કરીએ છીએ and which is of our interest. જે પહેલાનો definition હતો, first I'll talk what was the earlier definition, અને જે ગવર્મેન્ટ immediately amend કરી નાખ્યું છે. They have put the revised classification. MSME એટલે micro, small and medium. That's the full form. Micro એટલે does not exceed rupees 25 lakhs. This is the old definition. Okay? એટલે manufacturing industry, they are divided into two parts. એક છે manufacturing industry, એટલે તમે કઈ manufacture કરો છો એ, અને બીજું છે service industry. એટલે સમજો કોઈ lawyer હોય, architect હોય, chartered accountant હોય, hotels hoy, you know, the service industry. Okay, IT industry, these are all called service industry. So they are industry. Micro small prices.
Amit bhai, your voice is breaking.
અને સર્વિસ The third is medium enterprises. One crore entities, or who are the people who are being either 1 employee, 2 employee, 10 employees, or 100 employees. Now the revised classification amendment is government is micro is investment not exceeding rupees 1 crore and turnover not exceeding 5 crores. That is micro. Small MSME, which is small industries, investment not exceeding 10 crores